Good afternoon, dear friends. Welcome back in the video class. In this video, I am going to tell you the exercise of first flight, chapter 5, 100 races first. 100 races first. The summary of the lesson, including the overview about the writer, has been given to you already in the previous video. So let us come to explore the exercise. One passage comprehension we will see in this video. After that, one very important question from this lesson I will discuss. Which is very essential for the board. This is the first passage of the lesson. I request you all, while watching this video and listening this video, please keep your book in front of you so that you can get each and every line in your book. So come, the passage I am going to read, but in the board something is written for the passage. Today, Monday, Wanda Petronsky was not in her seat, but nobody, not even Peggy and Maddie, the girl who started all the fun, noticed her absence. Usually Wanda sat in the next to the last seat in the last row in room 13. She sat in the corner of the room where the rough boys who did not make good marks sat. The corner of the room where there was most scuffling of feet, most roars of laughter where anything funny was said, and most mud and dirt on the floor. Wanda did not sit there because she was rough and noisy. On the contrary, she was very quiet and rarely said anything at all. And nobody had ever heard her laugh out loud. Sometimes she twisted her mouth in a crooked sort of smile, but that was all. So first and last words are written here. On the basis of this passage, some questions are written on the board. Who was absent on Monday? Who was absent on Monday? Wanda was absent on Monday. Why was her absence not felt? Her absence was not felt or noticed because she was a quiet girl. She had no friends. She was not in turn to talk with others. That's why her absence was not felt. Second question, where in the class Wanda used to sit? It has been discussed already. Wanda used to sit in the next to the last bench. Next to the last bench in the last row of room number 13. Why do you think she sat there? Why do you think she sat there? So, as per the lesson's description, I think she sat there because her shoes used to be caked with mud. As she was coming from Bogan Heights, it was a slum area. Number third, what kind of boys sat around her? The boys who got low marks, who were considered lazy. So noisy and rough boys who did not score good marks sat around her. Next question, which expression, no sorry, fourth question, what used to be Wanda's reaction to funny remarks in the class? What used to be Wanda's reaction to funny remarks in the class? How was it different from others? She used to twist her mouth. She used to twist her mouth like in that way. She used to twist her mouth into a crooked sort of smile. It was different because others laughed and some roared with laughter. Next question, which expression in the passage mean noisy, dragging movement of the feet on the ground? So scuffling of feet. Sorry, scuffling of feet. SCUFFLING, scuffling of feet, that is given in the passage. So in this way you can comprehend the passage. So many passages may be given to you from other lesson also. So these are the ideas how we can write our answer through reading the passage. Second question, which is very important for you, pen down the character sketch of Wanda Petronsky. Pen down means write down the character sketch of Wanda Petronsky. Character sketch of Wanda Petronsky. So Wanda Petronsky is a Polish girl. First sentence, who has shifted to America from Poland with her parents. She is very poor and lives up on Bogin Heights, which is a slum area. She is very shy and quiet. She does not talk to anyone. Rarely she talks. She has no friend and she sits in the last row of the class next to the seat where rough and naughty boys sit. Because she wanted nobody notice her, as she was a funny material for other students in the class. She wears the same faded blue dress every day, which is not ironed but clean. Everybody teases her in her class. Everybody, each and every boy teases her in the class. Why? Because of her unusual name Petronsky, Wanda Petronsky, because of her dress, because of her physical appearance, because of her smile. She claims of having 100 dresses and 60 pair of shoes at home. Why? It was only in her thought. Actually, she had no other dresses as she was poor. But in anger, in revenge of the fun by other students, she claims of having 100 dresses and 60 pair of shoes at home. She is very determined and shows her determination in the drawing competition given by her class teacher by displaying the 100 sketches of dresses she claims to own previously. Each of them was so beautiful that she wins the competition and surprises Peggy, who was making fun to her. So this was the character sketch of Wanda. I will send you the note also. In one HW is here. In what way Wanda different from other children? This question is asked in NCERT also. So while reading the chapter, try to write the answer of this question. In what way was Wanda? In what way was Wanda? Sorry. In what way was Wanda different from other children? Very clear. Wanda Petronsky was a Polish girl whose parents had settled down in America. She was a source of fun for other children because of her last name Petronsky, which made her different from others. Because Americans did not have such names and it was difficult to pronounce for them. She came to school alone and her feet were covered with mud. She preferred to sit alone in the last seat in the last row of the room number 13. She had only one blue and faded dress, but it was clean, not properly ironed. She claimed of having 100 dresses. These qualities make her different from other students in the class. Thank you all.